Hello everyone and welcome. Today's important question is, how can the clearing of trees impact soil erosion? It is essential to remember that our forests are important ecosystems to help sustain plant and wildlife. Forests are vital for soil conservation, preventing soil erosion, protecting water supplies and maintaining other ecosystem functions. Clearing of trees and transforming forests into clear land is called deforestation. Deforestation exposes soil to direct contact with the rain and enhances the free flow of runoff, which causes erosion. To remove forests exposes the soil to rain and wind, stripping away the topsoil, removing the soil of the most fertile, organic and nutrient-rich materials. Understanding the impact of clearing or burning trees on the soil helps us to work towards a more sustainable future where there is the ability to grow ample food for all living things from soil full of nutrients. Sustainability consists of balancing basic human needs without destroying or degrading the natural environment. Soil erosion occurs when things erode. They wear away due to some force acting on them. The loss of trees, which anchor the soil with their roots, causes widespread erosion. Soil is quickly washed away after trees are cleared by heavy rain and wind, as topsoil is dislodged from the land. Land clearing can lead to a variety of impacts on the soil, including erosion and loss of nutrients, leaving poor soil that is unable to sustain good plant growth. According to scientists at the United States Department of Agriculture, soil erosion may actually prove to have an important environmental benefit. They say that it slows down the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the increase in carbon dioxide and other gases that produces climate change. When soil erodes, it carries with it carbon and places it in nearby wetland areas. Deforestation and soil erosion has been an ongoing issue for many years, not only in Australia but around the world. In the early 1850s, most timber was harvested manually, using axes and handsaws. Only the trees that were wanted for timber were felled. After the 1950s, there was an increase in machinery use for logging. The best logs were removed, but nearly every other tree was bulldozed and burnt, leaving hectares of devastation. Today, timber is still needed and an increasing amount is from pine plantations. The Victorian government at times has made the commitment to preserving our forests, but this seems to be an ongoing battle. Legislation and policies have been put in place to help to reduce the cutting and burning of forests, where companies and individuals must follow these specific guidelines. It was interesting to find that there are benefits to soil erosion, in which it slows down the greenhouse effect. Governments and individuals must follow policies and guidelines to maintain sustainability for future generations. If not, the world may be lost as we know it, impacting food supply and wildlife for future generations to use and observe. Thank you. Hope you have learnt a lot about soil erosion.